A documentary by filmmaker Jason Pollock, which premiered at the 2017 South by Southwest Festival, shows previously unseen surveillance footage captured at a convenience store the night before Michael Brown was fatally shot by a police officer in Ferguson, Missouri in 2014. The film challenges the police narrative of what they say happened on the day of Brown's death. Pollock says this newly released footage shows Brown exchanging drugs for merchandise with employees of the convenience store, which he ultimately leaves behind the counter at the store.
Mike traded the store a little bag of weed and got 2 boxes of cigarillos in return. He left his items at the store and he went back the next day to pick them up. Mike did not rob the store.
The documentary investigates the death of Brown, an unarmed 18-year-old who was killed by Ferguson police officer Darren Wilson in August of 2014. His death and the decision by a grand jury not to charge Officer Wilson sparked protests in Ferguson, Missouri and around the country. In May of 2015, the Brown family filed a wrongful death suit against Officer Wilson and the city of Ferguson. That trial is scheduled for May of 2017. Years-old surveillance footage shows that on the following day, the day of Brown's death, an altercation took place between Brown and store employees. Pollock's theory? The altercation was the result of a misunderstanding between Brown and store employees about the merchandise he received as part of the trade, not an attempt to rob the store, as Ferguson police allege. Police have said that Officer Wilson wasn't aware of the alleged robbery when he stopped Mr. Brown. Jay Kanzler, an attorney for the Ferguson market, called the documentary filmmaker's claims
100% false. Okay? It did not occur.
St. Louis County Prosecuting Attorney Robert McCulloch said in a news conference on Monday that the documentary was clearly an attempt to distort this and turn it into something it isn't. Pollock says he did not edit the footage, and the Associated Press reports he called McCulloch a master at deception.